Hello, this is junk journal, postal and travel junk journal I made. It has a vintage look with all kinds of tags and cards, stamps, all kinds of things. I will show you now. It's a little ribbon kind of thing. You open it this way. It's a journal with all kinds of pockets. It's for somebody else. I sent them soon. They can use all the things I put in it, and when they use the journal they can put their own photographs or tickets or whatever they want on their holiday. They can put in it. So this is a gift to somebody else. In this pocket I have some little cards I made. This is scrapbook paper and this is washi tape. This is another pocket with lost ghost stamps I have. I made. They can use the stamps alone, or I'll put it in the journal, or put it on another card, whatever they want. And some vintage paper. The background here is washi tape. This is just normal paper I made old with distress ink and water, with a little tag and some washi tape. I made some colored photocopies from some nice papers, and I used this one as a pocket with some die cuts and a little card. And this also is a color print, and I made the color print a bit old. I have here a little pocket in the clock with all kinds of clocks. A little page with a tag, "Not all who wander are lost." I thought it was a nice quote in a travel journal. I made a lot of pages myself, sometimes just a photocopy, a colored photocopy, and I made the page old, or on the jelly plate. In this one I have all these tags. I put them on a printer and I just printed them, and you get like a really nice page. I did the same with this, and I printed to both sides. This is also printed paper with a little pocket again. I put some, this is a die cut, you can take it off. These are some nice papers, as you can see. They can use it in this album or somewhere else, just what they want. And they can put their own photographs into this pocket. Again, just a normal page I made old. This is washi tape. This also. Scrapbook paper and some stuff I had. I made this paper with a jelly plate. On a video you can see where and how I do this. I made a little pocket with lace. You can take this out. You can write on this and put your own cards or photographs into this pocket, whatever you want. An old page again. This is an envelope from the text office. I put some die cuts in it. And also a little tag, and you can open this tag and you can write whatever you want inside, and you can close it again. This is in Dutch. It says enjoy. It's on the back. What I also did, because it is a gift to somebody else, I had some plastic and I put some washi tape on it so you can use it again. You can just take it off and yeah, put the washi tape wherever you want. I thought it would be a nice gift. I'll put this inside here. I made a colored print again from an atlas, and I put some old envelope with stamps and just little bits and pieces they can use, or they can well, whatever they want to do with it. I made a little pocket here also with cards. I made these cards no, not this one, this is a stamp. I made these cards myself with stamps. This is a Lost Coast stamp. I think this is a stamp from Stampadius or whatever it's called, from Tim Holtz. This is a stamp, I don't know, I think it's from China. You can put it in here, you can use it somewhere else or whatever you want. These are stamps from Lost Ghost, and this background stamp is from Studio Light. And once again, it's an atlas. I put some stickers I had on it, so it looks different. I made a tag myself with washi tape on one side and a stamp on the other. This is a color print of a text. Just breathe and have the faith that everything will work out for the best. That would be nice if you go on holiday. Sometimes you are in stress. Some normal paper I made old with distress ink. This is again the laser ribbon with some color prints, and these are tags and bobs and things I made myself. The background and the stamps, I use stamps on it. This is a jelly plate print. This is a print I made myself with a lot of stamps. This is Lost Coast stamp again on old paper with washi tape. Sometimes I do washi tape in the middle because it's this paper can be very fragile. So the washi tape, when you sew it together, will give it more strength. Another pocket with a color print with a die cut and another print. I made the background in this. Once in a while, blow your own mind. This is a little pocket, a paper bag, die cut. Again, some stickers and things I made. I didn't make those two, but I did make these. On the background, it's a jelly plate print. This is washi tape, some stamps, a little pocket. Nothing is in there now, but you can put something in there. Another jelly plate, some stamps, some postal stamps. The little bag has some stamps in it and also some ribbons you can use. This one is a big page with a die cut, some washi tape, and these papers you can use wherever you want. This is quite nice. It's very simple. It's just a little band on a page. You could put this one in it, and also something like this. Another old paper with a stamp from Lost Coast. This is a little pocket. I put some hearts, and I designed this chipboard. You can use it. Some a dictionary paper. I have those clocks, and I put them on the printer, and I print a color print from it, so you can design your own background if you like. This is just a band like the other one. Look, you can put some paper or things behind it. It's a blanco tag. You can write and scribble on it. I made this one with a jelly plate and some washi tape. Some old paper. I made it old with washi tape. This is a stamp from Studio Light. This is a little envelope with some empty tickets and again a big one I made myself. It locks and it opens. You can put it in there again like this. And this is jelly plate background. This one as well. This again is a music paper color print with washi tape. This is the inside. I just put some papers on a printer and it looks like this. This is a pocket again and a jelly plate background with stamps from Lost Ghost and a ticket. The jelly plate again. This is just the die cut. They can use wherever. A stamp from Studio Light inside. A paper made old. Again an empty tag with a die cut. Some scrapbook paper. And this is it. You can close it like this. Take the threads, put it around it, and then it closes like this. And when it goes bigger, you can put here a knot, and then you can put more in it. But first I think you need to take something out, and then you can take it on